Honored sir, we are to soon greet you and fine. This is an occasion, Friday Amavasya. In few more hours, we will be crossing Shravan. प्रकाश जी जावड़ेकर का चेहरा हमारे तेलंगाना में सावन के जैसा बहुत शानदार हो गया. But private members' resolution is a loner's job. Having been तेलंगाना हो जाएगा. The worst member of worst सदस्य of and popular leader of the opposition, the same pressure and the utmost commitment is expected from the benches of opposition, both in the houses of Indian Parliament. I raise consciously that I am in the treasury benches, and I also know that I am from the land of Telangana.
You will control the timing.
The self-respect, the pride of Telangana is of utmost importance. Just day before yesterday, our Indian nation saluted the Tiranga, our national flag, with Ashoka Chakra. But beginning of independence in my erstwhile Nizam Hyderabad state was full of sacrifices, lot of blood flow. In 1947, on August 15, hoisting national flag in the parts of Nizam Hyderabad state was heroic measure, due to which several had to lay their lives. Continuously for 13 months, all shades and all creeds and all castes and all ages of erstwhile Hyderabad state fought for integration into Mother India. This is the integrity and inclusive nature of the people of erstwhile Hyderabad, in particular the Telugu-speaking Telangana people. But I have several agonizing points to mention. I need and request the patience of the House to allow me to present a few points. In this erstwhile Hyderabad state, there was Marathwada, speaking Marathi. There was Kannada, Hyderabad, Karnataka, speaking Kannada, and there was Telugu speaking land. After trifurcation of this erstwhile Hyderabad state, in Marathwada, in Hyderabad, Karnataka, the people of those two parts could officially respect and enjoy the momentous occasion of September 17. In 1948, under the dynamic leadership of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and the warriorship of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the police action could enable the integration of erstwhile Hyderabad state into Indian Union. Those governments in Maharashtra and Karnataka officially observe in the parts of erstwhile Hyderabad state, Marathwada as well as Hyderabad, Karnataka, the day of historic occasion, the September 17. But the people of Telangana, the Telugu-speaking people of the erstwhile Hyderabad state, are at least yet to get that opportunity. With this pathetic condition, we are also, but officially the people could not get the message of the governments. I am hearing, we are also facing, we are also bearing several pressure tactics. To begin with, I want to mention the Upadesha, which is much visible at the entrance of our central hall. Ajam nija paro veti, ganana laguchetasam, udara cheritanantu, vasudaiva kutumbakam. To become the universe as a family, we must have